So you have got four topics, and four topics are relevant to your career. So one is English skill, and the other good behavior, and also transport and traveling. With keywords, you'll try to speak in English nicely, and it will help you to speak in English. So where's the problem? Most of the students now, you think that, so I don't know a lot of structures and vocabs, and that's why I can speak in English fluently. Structures are important, as well as, so you have lack of information. So you don't know about the information. That's why you cannot express yourself. So I think that, so your storage is empty. You should know a lot of information. And how do you know about it? So anything, if you'd like to know about this area, so you have to study the history of this area. Whenever you study history of this area, so you'll know the actually about this area, right? You'll know the history. How is it possible? It is possible by just reading. If you don't build up your reading habits, so it's not possible to speak nicely. So people won't listen to you.